Obonye, Moromwa. Biko nonye, Obonye, Moromwa. Your beauty, the joke, is me na bakaya. As you enter the place, everybody are together. Who be thanking you? I be thanking you. Who be thanking you? Be a bonye kuzi.
My birthday, I feel so happy. Like I feel so excited. If there's anything more than excitement, that is how I'm feeling right now. You know what I mean? And I'm so grateful to Almighty God for making today a special day. Very special day. I'm so grateful to God, and I pray that God will grant all my heart's desires. All my heart's desires. Bless me with love. Bless me with everything good this life has to offer. So that is what I'm wishing myself, and I pray that He will grant all of them. So I'm feeling so happy,
I didn't tell you when they breathe. Again. Hi guys, this is my auntie baby. Yes, so that's my
You enter the place, everybody are together. Who be thanking you?